So today I've literally been doing random things for 2 hours and I'm not quite sure how the morning went by. I thought today's vlog would mainly kind of circle around the apartment I kind of live in currently, because you guys didn't see much of where I lived last year for junior year of college, but for senior year I got a slightly larger room. It's like kind of still small. You guys can see it all in one frame in the background, but I thought today I would do a room tour for you all before I head out for the rest of my school day. I have a class, so I'm gonna do this tour first and then we're gonna get into the rest of the day. So we're gonna do this OG YouTube style where I'm behind the camera. So first thing you see when you walk in is obviously the door, and I hang my 2 little puffy bags here. It's so cute. But I have this little hook from Command, and it holds bags incredibly well and it matches all the hardware, which is nice. Over here we have the thermostat and then another bag hook. I have a lot of bags, so I need the bag hooks everywhere. Here's where the mess kind of comes in. Not super messy today, but I have a random Lego set that I need to build with Kevin still. I got that for our anniversary. And then this is all my filming stuff on top of a box of like winter stuff. Don't know really where else to store this where I can see it in plain sight. So I thought I needed it here, so I actually pick up the camera this semester. So I leave it right by the door. I see it every day. Over here, let's do a little pan of the room. My big mirror. That's pretty much it. The room is not too big, but it definitely fits this full size well with a lot of walking space everywhere, which is nice. But over here is my closet. We're not gonna get into it because it's quite embarrassing how many things I own, but have a lot of clothes in there, just a little clothing rack. Some jeans I wore this week that I need to wear again before I wash. And then this is my little plushie corner. Okay, never mind, this is my plushie corner now. So I moved it a little bit. Yeah, it makes it difficult to open the door, but I don't know where else to put these. And then on my nightstand, this little nightstand is from Amazon, but I can link everything I have in my room down below. I definitely have a lot of things, but my mushroom lamp is from Home Goods. I bought over the summer. I think that little tray is Target, and I just throw all my jewelry that I use every single day on there. A lighter for the candles I have on the table, even though I don't use them. And then I also keep my jewelry, the book I'm reading, which I don't know why it's still there. And then all of my perfumes are in a very low, dark place. And then the main event obviously is my bed. So my bed, I've kept the bedding the same since my junior year. The bedding set, the duvet cover and everything, the matching beige is all from Parachute. I have this UGG blanket I got on sale from Nordstrom. I have silk pillowcases from Slip. This heart pillow, I kind of get a lot of questions on. It's from Target from last year. And then I have my array of more plushies that I don't want to put on the floor currently. That's the bed. And then I also put some LED lights in the back, so it lights up at night. Yeah, it's not the most eventful thing, but I thought it added. And like the blue light is easier on the eyes when I go to bed. This is a little bright, so I turn the blue lights to kind of wind down. Turning the attention over here, I have all my shoes that are not daily, so all the heels and boots I've put in my room. I have my air purifier, and then this little cart is full of things that we don't need to get into, but it's a lot of just beauty items and storage for products I have to try, hair things, and daily stuff. And then my tripod. And then there's me. So this is a long mirror from IKEA. This is the Hovet mirror. I love it. I bought this at my last apartment and I moved it here, and I've loved it since. And I think this is a good area to kind of try on my outfits, more walking space. And here I am. Over here, we have my very cute little Sunny Angel collection. And then I have a lot of these Sanrio ones as well, as a mix from Pop Mart and a Miniso. I haven't done this in so long, and I'm running out of breath. And then lastly, very important also, is my desk. And this desk I've also had for over a year, and it's from IKEA. Super simple. It's small and great for little spaces, so it fits in this little nook with my chair easily. I have all my desk supplies and my morning coffee from today. She's a little hybrid of work, getting ready, all the makeup. I use these drawers for all my makeup products. I used to have room for school supplies in here, but to be honest, I only use my laptop for any schoolwork, so that's the only part that's really school related on this desk. And my lamp is from Amazon. This kind of like turns different temperature of whites and whatever to do work. I really like it. And my phone stand is from a Japanese store, but it's a little My Melody one. I have my Lower East Side candle from Boy Smells, a little Hello Kitty standing plush as my desk buddy. I also have this Pachaco blind box that didn't fit over there. And my little toast lamp is from Jessie Lux's or Jessica Vu's delivery line, which is super cute. Thank you to Jessica for that cute little desk moment. And all my makeup is in this Muji organizer. All my brushes are in random cups. This is a little Christmassy, but no one has to know. And this chair I actually really love. It's piled on with jackets right now that I like to wear because it's cold. But this little chair right here is super cute. It's from Amazon. It's a beautiful beige and a little gold. So that's my desk area. Then we have some more storage. I have storage under my bed for clothes, as well as on the other side I have like fabric organizers for more sweaters and stuff. So that is basically the room. She's dark right now. I ran out of like breath doing that, but it like reminded me so much of like my little room tours. Insert a cute little room tour.
Hey guys, today's gonna be a room tour video. Yeah, you guys have been waiting a long time for this. So yeah, it's my 1 year anniversary of this channel and I'm so excited. So let's go into this bed area. Up there I have this animals, and then I have this bedding set, or this blanket from Target.
I love to watch these videos growing up, and I thought in comparison to like my Hello Kitty room tour, not much has changed besides the fact that I have less pink in my room. I still have my hints of pink, but for a more serene night, I've stuck with beige, as you can see. So yeah. Finished my one class for today. It's 4:30. It's so dark out and it's rainy, and I have a club event tonight, so I will take you to that. But right now I'm just getting there early to get some work done because it's like a little work area too on campus. I was vlogging today. This is my last little intro meeting for this club I've been a part of since freshman year, and it's called Wise. And here we have our little office, and we're just gonna set up. I'm like the first person here, but besides Amelia, obviously, but we're gonna set up our little intro meeting event. This is college mode Lisa.